TCN Hook Vending Machine. Operational replenishment. The unique hook design is specially designed for hanging goods. The whole machine can place 700 items. The all-metal hooks carry the load, and the product clearance can be adjusted freely to maximize the use of storage space. It sells washing utensils, digital appliances, trinkets, souvenirs, specialty snacks, and school bags, etc. Shopping process. 22-inch touch screen to purchase. Payment methods can be customized. Hook type slots ship quickly. Pick up the goods at the pickup port. Suitable for placement in stations, cinemas, hospitals, schools, factories, scenic spots, and other places.